I-move nyo po yung date ng birth.
The mistakes you made are facts. Even if you made Lily stand here and apologize, it wouldn't change anything.
Lumay kayo si Ma'am Mel.
Wouldn't change anything.
Ikaw mo na.
Please escort him.
Si Ma'am Mel.
Ikaw na.
Supervise him as
Oh.
he packs his things and leaves the company. Yes.
Ako ba din? Ayoko, nag-type siya.
Hindi mo na ma-interfere.
Oh. Ay, nakakot ka ba?
He's very decisive. Don't want any parasites in the company. David is just the first. Understand. I'll contact the audit department immediately to thoroughly review the marketing department's projects and contracts from the past 2 years. Good. Get it done.
Yes.
David's gone. But this is just the beginning.
Coins siya na.
Hmm?
Coins.
Hmm.
It hasn't even started.
Verify now.
Okay na, Cham.
I-click mo daw po yung verify now.
You who fired my honey.
Ito yung verification check ko.
Who the hell do you think you are? You think you're so great just because you're a VP?
Ito naman yung black.
Hindi, kailangan mo yung dalawa kang ano,
Led for this company.
verification.
Everything for this company. This is a personal vendetta.
Nadala ko.
First, I'm not some
Pa?
I am the vice
Ha?
president.
Dapat lagi ko diretso.
Ay, ato po sa tao po.
I have veto power.
Tao. Tapos,
Tapos, settings.
settings.
Meron ba sa settings? Ay, back po, back.
I have veto power.
Yung identity verification daw po.
David's termination process was by the book.
Verify now.
Verify now. Tapos,
But I know he won't.
Asan dyan na ID yung meron ka po?
That's not
picture na ko siya.
Yung ID nyo po,
I-picture ko.
may ano yan na parang i-hand out mo yung ano, ID I think.
Ma-abroad siguro si Ma'am Melissa na may passport.
Hmm.
Screenshot. Screenshot ito na. Pati yung coins niya, wala pa man
made
na
my family suffer.
verified.
And I'll make sure you have a fluent reputation.
Excuse me.
I won't chat.
Ano?
Saan? Professional, scientific,
Everyone, do you all remember
technical.
Um,
just because I gave Chloe the wrong